In this video, I'm going to share a solution with you to display a long number into a million and thousand format using single cell formula. At the end of video, I will also show you custom number formatting using which you don't need to use formula and apply this million and thousand number formatting on a range or a single cell. Okay, the first thing we need to build a simple let function. I will increase the width of formula bar a little bit and click on active cell and simply go to formula bar and write equal. Simply write let open parenthesis. Now simply hit Alt Enter and we are now in a new line. The first thing we need to define reference. So I will just write a reference name, hit comma, and what is the name one value. In this case, I will define C1 here and later you can change this to a sum function as well. I will show you at the end of this formula. Simply hit Alt Enter again and now we need to define K number. For example, this is a long number, 15 million, and the remaining is the 1000 number. So we need to extract those numbers. So how we can extract? First, we need to define our 1000. And I just defined with a K. You can define with any name, hit comma, and I will simply write mod function open parenthesis. What is the number? Now in this case, we already defined the number with ref, so we don't need to input C1 again. We just need to write ref, hit comma, and what is the divisor? In this case, my divisor is 1 million. Close parenthesis, hit comma, and now simply hit Alt Enter again. So K mod function, this will return a reminder from this long number. Okay, the next parameter we need to define the million number format. I just assigned MF, million format. You can assign any name, hit comma. What is the function? We need to use text function here, open parenthesis. And now what is the video? We need to define ref again. Keep in mind, in let function, capitalization will not affect your parameter, your formula calculation. We already defined ref here, and now I simply write ref with a small alphabet. Hit comma. For the format, I will write quotation mark, dollar symbol, hash, 1 comma, double hash, and 2 comma, quotation mark again, close parenthesis, and %, quotation mark again, m, quotation mark again, and now simply hit comma. Now you can see calculation are named for. I will hit Alt Enter again and we need to define 1000 format. I will define, let's say, KF, hit comma, and for this we will use text function again. Now we don't need to define ref. We need to define K. Since K is the reminder, so simply define K, hit comma. For the format, I will simply write quotation mark, dollar, hash, comma, hash, hash, and simply write 1 comma this time, quotation mark again, close parenthesis, and %, and now quotation mark again, K, quotation mark again, and hit comma. Now this asks calculation are name 5. I will simply hit Alt Enter again. Now I will simply write MF and %KF, close parenthesis, hit enter. Now we get everything. But here you can see we need a space after M. So I will click on cell and here we need to add just a small space and hit enter. Now this look perfect. If I, let's say, filter my data set, the number are being updated. Now the last question is, can we change C1 reference? So yes, when I give you the file, you just need to copy this formula and instead of C1, you can reference your other cell or you can reference a sum function as well. For example, instead of C1, I want to write sum function, open parenthesis. I will select the range using mouse. You can select using keyboard shortcut as well, including some blank, close parenthesis, hit enter. And now you can see it referencing the whole range. If we click here and delete, simply Ctrl C to copy this whole formula, double click, Ctrl V, hit enter, and this is how we can develop the single cell formula. For now, I will simply hit Ctrl Z, and now we need to apply custom number formatting. Okay, so you are ready. Simply right click, format cell, click on custom, remove everything here, simply write dollar, hash, space, quotation mark, M quotation mark space dollar 3 time hash 1 comma and now simply write K and bam. We did everything with this simple formula. Simply hit OK. And this is how we can apply this dual number formatting using custom number formatting. But here you can see we have extra space. So I will right click again, format cell, and I just need to remove this space. And now this look perfect. Simply hit OK. And this is how we can apply this dual number formatting using formula using custom number formatting. Now I will show you Google Sheet solution. First thing, I will simply copy this whole formula, switch to Google Sheet. I have the similar Google Sheet and click anywhere. For example, click here, simply Control V, and instead of sum function, for example, I want to reference a cell, simply remove the sum function, reference C1 and simply hit enter. Here I want to show one more thing, and you can apply those on Excel as well. For example, if you want to display 218 as a point, so you can simply click on formula, increase the formula bar and simply write here 0.00. If you want 2 decimal point, just keep 20 and simply hit enter. And this is how we can also get the decimal point as well. The next thing, we need to apply custom number formatting. I will click here, click 1, 2, 3, click custom number format and simply define your custom number format here again, dollar hash comma quotation mark M quotation mark again space dollar 3 time hash comma quotation mark K quotation mark and simply apply. And this is how we can apply custom number formatting in Google Sheet. I hope you learned something useful from this video. I will share both custom number formatting formula and let function in description of the video. You can copy and just keep with yourself. When you want to present something large number in your presentation, just use the function in your presentation. If you have anything else, please write a comment, and also please subscribe my channel for more video. Thank you so much.